Hello everyone. This video is based on a training for uploading a content on Putcode, and here we know how to add file path, file name and content on our Putcode. Here's the file path for a Putcode that ends on e online slash. Your file path is based on the same. After this you have to enter the whole file path so that you can upload your file on the correct place. First of all, we have to enter a file path. Suppose we have to put our file on e basic course. This is the directory listing for e basic course. You see e online slash e basic course. So we have to put file path dot slash. Here comes our file dot slash for exiting from our Putcode, and then e basic course slash, then our file comes here. So the file comes in e basic course in this directory listing. Our file name is based whatever file you are working on. Suppose our file name is verb1.php, and the content file comes here. The whole code of yours comes here. Just for example, this is the code we are running. After this whole content you have to put and enter on this Putcode. When you click on the submit button, your file will be uploaded here, and then you can check your Putcode. This is the way we can upload our file to Putcode. Thank you.